Hey guys, it's Kilby Browne with the Property Hats NYC Team. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Check out that view. Hudson Yards, one of the largest private developments in the history of the United States. What an amazing view of New York City. So here I am in Hoboken on the day that New York City is back. Look at the World Trade Center. What views. Lackawanna train station that has the PATH train, trains out to the suburbs, ferries to New York City. And depending on what you want to do right now in real estate, rates are really, really low. Historic low rates. So my question to you is, what do you want to do? Are you looking to buy? Are you looking to sell? Are you looking to rent? A lot of opportunity in this market, a lot of doubt in this market. That leads to opportunity. Join our Facebook page, join our YouTube channel. We'd love to talk to you, love to help you. This is Kilby Browne saying bye-bye. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. All the best. Bye-bye.